Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Debbie Cordova Decano. I am 24 years old and single, living in Gomez Pinito, Salaven, Isabela. I have two brothers and one sister. I am third child of the family. I graduated as a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
I don't have yet experience abroad, sir, but here in Philippines, I work as a tutor to Ma'am Ada Corpus children, namely Princess, 6 years old, and Prince, 4 years old.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always secure their safety, sir, and also I check their temperature when they are sick, and I will call my employers.
Okay. How do you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad because I wanted to help my family financially. And as a single, I wanted to be financially stable.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
Since I am a single, I don't have yet children, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I always pray and remind myself that I'm doing this for my family and continue my work.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. after I work. After I've done with my work and woke up at 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will always be calm and patient dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money on the phone?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir, but practically I wanted to have my own room for my privacy.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. Extended when needed.
Okay, can you cook a Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. See you later, alligator in a crocodile.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I hope you will select me as your helper. I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family with all my heart and with all my best.